The given question, the number of equivalence relations on the set 1, 2, 3, 4 is. So in general it is equal to number of partition on any set A, but we have to find the number of equivalence, so you can use triangle method. See 1, now 1 plus 1 is 2, write this 2 here, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, write this 5 again here, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, write 15 here, 15 plus 5 is 20, 20 plus 7 is 27, 37, 37 plus 15 is 52. So if the number of element in this set is 2, we have two number of equivalence in relation. If the number of element in set is 1, we have one number of equivalence relation. If the number of element in this set is 3, we have 5 number of equivalence relation. If the number of element in this set is 4, we have 15 number of equivalence relation. So option A is correct.